Okay. Welcome back sa Black Clover. Today gagawa tayo ng Mage Spotlight para kay Swimsuit Noel. So, si Swimsuit Noel ay red na attacker
How about a thank you for bailing you out again?
from the Season 2 banner. Okay. So, magic attack ang primary attribute. Skill naman tayo. Yung first skill niya, AoE na attack. She's 55% ng attack, physical attack, and 55% ng magic attack yung ginagamit. Ito rin yung ginagamit kapag counter attack siya dahil sa second skill niya, which is yung barrier. Itong second skill na to nagpo-provide ng blessing of water, which is yung barrier na sumasalo ng damage at nagtitrigger ng counter attack kapag hindi nabasag ng kalaban yung barrier. Okay. Ang kagandahan dito, parte ng second skill niya is may additional pang barrier equal to 100% ng magic attack ni Noel. So, meron kang barrier from the blessing of water, meron kang barrier dito sa additional. So, yung barrier mo is 220% ng magic attack. Tapos, may additional buff pa siya na 10% increase favor damage. Favor damage is kapag yung red versus green, green versus blue, and then blue versus red. So, kunyari, pag si Noel inatake niya is green na unit, may 10% increase damage pa on top ng favor damage. Then, ito nga. So, kapag hindi nabasag ng kalaban yung barrier, which is yung blessing of water, automatic magti-trigger to aqua wave. So, magka-counter attack siya AoE. So, yung ultimate niya naman, yung you started it, attacks after granting an increased magic attack level 2 buff. So, magbabuff muna siya, then mag-a-attack siya ng AoE. And then yung magic attack increase naglalast for 2 turns. 55% magic attack. Combined attack, halos same lang din nung ulti. Which is damage dealt. Ay, ng second skill pala. Damage dealt. Pero ito hindi siya favored damage dealt. Talagang yung literal na damage dealt. So, plus 15% overall damage. Okay. Yung passive niya, magic attack plus 12% kapag napa LR mo siya. Then ito kapag na-reach mo yung enhancement level 2, automatic may shield ka na 10% ng max HP or barrier for 2 turns. So, automatic kapag hindi nila nabasag yung shield sa unang turn pa lang, nag-auto at nagka-counter attack na agad si Noel since may shield ka na sa first wave pa lang. So, maganda siya pang PvE dahil nga dun sa passive na to kapag PvE. Then, of course, madalas na naman pag PvE, ikaw naman nauuna. So, magbabarrier ka na lang din muna para magka-counter attack si Noel. Then maganda rin siya sa PvP dahil dahil green na yung meta ngayon gawa nung paglabas ni Liken Raya. Then sa JP ito pa rin talaga yung meta nila eh. Kasi nga yung counter attack niya plus yung magic damage niya masakit talaga. Tingnan natin yung animation ng skill niya. Ito yung first skill. Second skill, yung shield. Ayan, pansinin nyo dalawa yung blue na lumabas. Yun yung dalawang buff na So, dalawang buff. Isang blessing of water, then isang regular barrier. Yan, ito yung ultimate niya.
I will make you accept me!
Okay.
How about a thank you for bailing?
Okay, so pagdating naman sa build, since magic attack ang main stat niya,
How
so
about a thank you for bailing you out again?
i-build mo sa kanyang item is more on magic attack. Kaya nito. Ayan. So, ito yung 17,000 plus 13,000 yung magic attack niya. So, masakit yan kapag imagine every counter attack niya pumapalo ng half 55% ng amount na to. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung paano siya nagka-counter attack. Testingin natin dito.
Nobody hurts my friends!
Yan. I-demo natin kung paano siya nagka-counter attack. So, gagamit tayo ng barrier. Ayan. Pag inatake ka ng kalaban, since hindi nabasag, na-counter siya. Hindi pa rin nabasag. Na-counter ulit. Magpa-first skill siya ng magpa-first skill as long as hindi nababasag ng kalaban yung barrier. Nabasag, hindi na yung ka-counter. So, ganun siya.
Hey there, you idiots.
How about a thank you for
So,
bailing you out
yun
again?
guys. Mage Spotlight ni Noel Silva. Kung may iba pa kayong unit na gusto ipagawa ng spotlight, i-comment nyo lang sa baba para ma-check natin yung unit ng Bosisi. Thank you so much for watching.